Question number 5. On a sketch of an organ diagram, shade the region whose points represent the complex numbers z, satisfying the inequalities z minus 4 minus 2 iota is less than modulus is less than equal to 3 and z modulus is greater than equal to modulus of z at 10 minus z. Modulus of z is greater than equal to modulus of 10 minus z. This question is from complex numbers. In this question, these are two inequalities. We have to shade the region who satisfying these two inequalities. In these two inequalities, z is a general complex number. Z is equal to x plus iota y होता है. So point that represents this complex number will be xy. This is a general point which represents this complex number z. Z is a general complex number. So first of all, we will represent these two inequalities in this form. फर्स्ट इनक्वालिटी हमारे पास है z. फर्स्ट इनक्वालिटी इज दिस. यहाँ से एक सर्कल लोकस, इस इनक्वालिटी से एक सर्कल जनरेट होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल राइट इट इन दिस फॉर्म z. यहाँ से माइनस का साइन कॉमन, 4 प्लस 2 आयोटा, मॉडुलस इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 3. यहाँ पे z जो है दिस इज जनरल कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. 4 प्लस 2 आयोटा इज एन अदर कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर. तो दिस शोज दैट अ सर्कल locus will be a circle of center 4 2. 4 2 is the center of the circle and radius is 3. Center of the circle will be 4 2 and radius is 3. The other inequality is z modulus is greater than or equal to 10 minus z modulus. इसको हम यूं लिखेंगे, इसको भी इसी फॉर्मेट में लिखेंगे हम. z modulus को we can write z minus 0 plus 0 iota modulus. इस z को हमने इस फॉर्म में लिख लिया है. 0 0 is another complex number, that is origin. Z is a general complex number, is greater than or equal to 10 minus z modulus. तो वही कह रहा है, क्योंकि ये मॉडुलस है तो हम इसको यूं भी लिख सकते हैं z minus 10 modulus. We can write 10 minus z modulus. We can write it z minus 10 modulus. ये हमने इसलिए लिखा है ताकि इसी फॉर्मेट में इसको लिख सकें. z minus 0 plus 0 iota modulus is greater than z minus 10 plus 0 iota. Now 0 plus 0 iota, this is another complex number. यहाँ पे 10 plus 0 iota, तो ये भी एक और कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है. तो सो यहाँ से ये तो एक सर्कल बनेगा. लोकस विल बी ए सर्कल ऑफ सेंटर 4 2 रेडियस 3. और यहाँ से एक लोकस विल बी ए परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर दैट जॉइंस दीज टू पॉइंट 0 0 and 10 0. So points are 0 0 and 10 0. We join these 2 points and then we will take the perpendicular bisector of the line joining 0 0 and 10 0, A perpendicular bisector will be the locus. तो locus will be, यहाँ पे locus सर्कल है और यहाँ पे locus क्या होगा, locus will be a perpendicular bisector joining the points 0, 0 and 10, 0. Now we will sketch an organ diagram. Organ diagram of these two inequalities will be imaginary z and real z. Origin, mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first we will make a circle of center 4, 2 and radius 3. 4, 2 point is here. That this is the center of the circle. And radius is 3. So locus will be of this circle, and the other locus will be uh, a perpendicular bisector of line joining these 2 points 0, 0 and 10, 0. Let this is line, this is 10, 10, 0 is this line. This point is 10, 0, x-axis 10 and y coordinate is of this is 10. So this is the point. This is the line joining points 0, 0 and 10, 0. This will be the line. And the perpendicular bisector of this line is the line passes through x is equal to 5. This is the perpendicular bisector. Sorry, this is the perpendicular bisector of this line. So this is the Here the inequality sign is greater than or equal to. So we shade the region that lies on the right hand side of this vertical line. इसकी equation है x is equal to 5. This is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining 0 0 and 10 0. So we have these two loci. एक सर्कल और दूसरा लोकस है this vertical line that passes through 5. Equation of this is x is equal to 5. So we shade the region which satisfy both these inequalities. So locus will be वो shaded region ये होगा. The right side of this line and inside of the circle. So this shaded region shows that Z, that is the general complex number. जो जनरल कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर है Z, वो Z एक पॉइंट है, वो यहाँ पे लाई कर सकता है. इस शेडेड रीजन में कहीं भी Z will lie. Z will lie in anywhere in this shaded region. So this is a shaded region that satisfies these two inequalities. The next part B of this question, we will take help from here, from this diagram, to answer this part of this question. Find the greatest value of argument of Z for points in this region. Region is this shaded region. This means the greatest value of argument of Z. इसका मतलब है कि आर्गुमेंट ऑफ Z एंगल होता है जो ओरिजिन से हमने बनाना है कि Z की कहाँ पे पोजीशन होगी कि उसके साथ ओरिजिन से मैक्सिमम एंगल बने, ग्रेटेस्ट एंगल बने. तो वो यहाँ पे सपोज करें कि यहाँ पे हम ले लेते हैं Z, तो एंगल जो है ये है. अगर यहाँ पे ले लेते हैं पॉइंट Z, तो एंगल और कम हो जाएगा. बट हमने ग्रेटेस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ आर्गुमेंट ऑफ Z बताना है, तो Z विल लाई हेयर. अगर Z हमारा यहाँ पे लाई कर रहा है तो मैक्सिमम एंगल बनेगा ओरिजिन के साथ. तो सो this is the greatest value of the argument. We have to find this angle. This angle will be the greatest value of argument of Z. Let me say that this angle is theta. We have to find this value of theta. Z is here. Z is a point which represents the complex number x plus iota y. Actually, Z is a general complex number which represents the point xy. To find this angle, we need clearly this triangle is a right angle triangle. This is perpendicular. This part of the line, this is perpendicular, and this is base. Base, it is clear that base is 5. But we have to find the length of this part of the line. So this Z, this point is the point of intersection of this line x is equal to 5 and circle. So first of all, we will find the coordinates of this point with this with which we can find the greatest value of the argument. So we will solve these two equations, x is equal to 5 and the equation of the circle, to find the coordinates of this point. So we will solve simultaneously इस लाइन की इक्वेशन x is equal to 5 और सर्कल की इक्वेशन वी कैन फाइंड बिकॉज सर्कल का सेंटर 4 2 और रेडियस 3 है. तो सो equation of circle will be x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. and the equation of line x is equal to 5. Now we will put 5 in place of x. We get 5 minus 4 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 9. 1 plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to 9. Y minus 2 whole square is equal to 8, and taking square root each side we will get y minus 2 is equal to plus minus 8 under root. Y minus 2 is equal to plus minus 2 under root 2. So we get two values of y. Y is equal to 2 plus minus 2 under root 2. Y is equal to 2 plus 2 under root, or y is equal to 2 minus 2 under root. This value of y is not applicable because we will get a negative value of y, but y की वैल्यू यहाँ पे देखें, ये y की वैल्यू नेगेटिव नहीं है, तो दिस इज अ पॉजिटिव वैल्यू. तो सो वी विल यूज दिस वैल्यू ऑफ y. तो सो y की वैल्यू जो है हमारे पास 2 अंडर रूट 2 प्लस 2 अंडर रूट 2 है. So this means that this length of line is 2 plus 2 under root 2, and this line is of length 5. So this is perpendicular, this is base, so we can find tan theta. Argument of greatest value of argument theta is equal to tan inverse 2 plus 2 under root 2 over 5. We will find this angle in radian. So set your calculator mode on radian. Calculating this angle, finally we get theta is equal to 0.768. This is the greatest value of argument of set correct to three significant figures. Or this is the final answer.